Dear students, welcome to your English class, and today our topic is what? The invention of aeroplane. Aeroplane is not a new word. I know everyone knows about it. An aeroplane, helicopter, glider, fly in the sky. How it all started? Because of the human desire. What desire, you know? The desire of flying. We humans have one quality that is very bad sometimes. Which quality? Of feeling jealous. We say na, don't feel jealous with other persons, right? This quality of feeling jealous, when the human beings came to earth, they felt jealous with the birds. They used to fly, and the human thinks that we cannot fly. Why? This desire of flying made up the mind of inventing something like this aeroplane, or you can say helicopter or glider. Okay, when we want to go to a certain place very quickly, or we are in a hurry to go to a certain place, we opt this method. Which method? Which we opt for aeroplane or flight, right? But do you have in mind who invented the first flight? The first flight or the first flying device was invented by Wright brothers. Now, who were the Wright brothers? Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright invented the first flying machine, and after that many experiments took place, and then finally we got the current model, that is the aeroplane.